butterfly, butterfly, moth, moth, dragonfly, dragonfly, honeybee, honeybee, bumblebee, bumblebee, wasp, wasp, hornet, hornet, ant, ant, termite, termite, grasshopper, grasshopper, locust, locust, cricket, cricket, katydid, katydid, cicada, cicada, praying mantis, praying mantis, stick insect, stick insect, leaf insect, leaf insect, cockroach, cockroach, beetle, beetle, ladybug, ladybug, firefly, firefly, flea, flea, mosquito, mosquito, horsefly, horsefly, lacewing, lacewing, aphid, aphid, weevil, weevil, fire beetle, fire beetle, stag beetle, stag beetle, leaf beetle, leaf beetle, tiger beetle, tiger beetle, cicadelid, cicadelid, whitefly, whitefly, greenfly, greenfly, shield bug, shield bug, assassin bug, assassin bug, water strider, water strider, water boatman, water boatman, stonefly, stonefly, mayfly, mayfly, dobson fly, dobson fly, crane fly, crane fly. Repeat insect names: butterfly, moth, dragonfly, honeybee, bumblebee, wasp, hornet, ant, termite, grasshopper, locust, cricket, katydid, cicada, praying mantis, stick insect, leaf insect, cockroach, beetle, ladybug, firefly, flea, mosquito, horsefly, lacewing, aphid, weevil, fire beetle, stag beetle, leaf beetle, tiger beetle, cicadelid, whitefly, greenfly, shield bug, assassin bug, water strider, water boatman, stonefly, mayfly, dobson fly, crane fly,